Here at Richard J, we understand that all organisations, facilities and businesses have different needs in budgeting requirements that must be kept in balance. Listening to our clients talk about how they'd prefer to do things in an ideal world inspired us to create JayWay, an industry-first, all-inclusive subscription service for our commercial laundry and warewashing customers. Here are the top 5 reasons why Australian businesses are getting on board with our revolutionary subscription laundry and warewashing solution. 1. Everything is taken care of by one provider. 2. JayWay makes budgeting easy. 3. There is no capital outlay required. 4. Machine performance is optimised and breakdowns and maintenance is reduced. 5. You can access real-time accurate reporting on machine performance so that operation analysis can be conducted. Where our customers have previously dealt with numerous providers, JayWay now brings all laundry and warewashing requirements under the one umbrella. This means you only deal with one provider for all of your laundry or warewashing needs. This includes new machinery, dispensers, chemicals, reporting, spare parts, emergency breakdown, maintenance and support. And all of this is calculated and included in your one monthly subscription payment. With JayWay, our laundry clients have the option of paying per resident or guest, per bed or per load. Our warewashing clients have the option of paying per resident or guest, per rack or per cycle.
So we think that the JayWay solution means that the customer doesn't have to think about it anymore because all of the management of it is on our shoulders. JayWay is also available for dishwashing, and it's exactly the same except that they're washing dishes, not garments. So it includes the machinery, the dispensers, the chemicals and the monitoring of the dispensing of chemicals.
A key feature and enabler of JayWay is advanced Connect Machine 2 web technology, known as CM2W, which is specifically designed for chemical dispensing. When you choose JayWay, CM2W is linked to the dispensers on all of your machines. This creates better optimised operations, as well as delivering real benefits, such as quick response times, remote reporting, real-time data, the ability to conduct analysis based on accurate data. Pump tube life can be extended by up to 50% and decreased site visits. There's even more flexibility when you choose JayWay. To learn more about JayWay and how it can benefit your organisation, you can speak to one of our expert consultants. Call 1300 Richard today.